Treat your rug well and it will last a long time. We often tell our customers that good quality hand-knotted rugs will last your lifetime, and likely beyond. That being said, there are steps you should take to make sure that happens. First, vacuum your carpet regularly. Sand and grit work down to the base of the pile where abrasive action damages the wool and results in loss of pile. Always vacuum your carpet with the suction attachment only. Never use a beater brush or industrial strength vacuum to remove surface dirt. A beater brush removes a small amount of pile with each use and can destroy fringe, which is part of the foundation of the rug. Second, clean up spills as soon as possible by first blotting up any excess fluid. Then use club soda or warm soapy water and a clean cloth or towel to remove the remainder. Never use a cleaning agent, as these may affect the dyes and produce permanent color changes. Be sure that the top and undersurface of the carpet as well as the pad are completely dry before replacing it. If not, your rug may get mold, mildew, or dry rot, causing significant damage. Third, rotate rugs 180 degrees periodically to minimize wear from traffic patterns and to even out any sun fading. Any carpet will fade if exposed to direct ultraviolet sunlight. If you have older windows in your home, you can apply a UV blocking film to minimize this problem. And finally, have your rug professionally cleaned when necessary. Find a rug cleaner that specializes in handmade rugs. Handmade carpets should never be dry cleaned or steam cleaned, so avoid companies that offer those services. Handmade carpets should be thoroughly dusted prior to washing, then washed front and back using an appropriately formulated detergent and thoroughly rinsed until all cleaner is removed. You should never simply surface shampoo your carpet. This will merely brighten the surface and leave the shampoo and dirt in the carpet.